To connect an external device, such as a Blu-ray player, a set-top box, or a video game console to your TV, you'll need the following items: your external device and a high-speed HDMI cable in order to get a good quality picture from your external device. First, make sure your external device is switched off, and then connect it to your TV using the HDMI cable. Some devices might not have an HDMI output. In this case, you can also use a SCART cable. However, this is not recommended as a SCART cable is unable to transmit a full HD image to your TV. If the external device is not automatically detected, then press the Sources button on your remote control, select the connection you've just established with your TV, and press OK. You're now ready to start using your external device. If you're unsure about which connection to use with your device, please check the Quick Start Guide for additional information. If you are using a video game console, make sure that the source where the console is connected to is the one selected in the menu. You can set your TV to game mode for a fast image response and an overall best gaming experience. In order to do this, press the Settings button on your remote control. Highlight the Picture Style option and press OK to navigate through the different modes available until the option Game appears. You have now set up your TV with the video game console. Press the Back button to abandon the current menu.